Hey y'all, I perfected my cool season lawn calendar. I'm here to share it with y'all. First, I want to call out why this plan is the best. One, it's affordable. Two, it's simple. Anybody with limited time can achieve this. Three, it's family and pet friendly. And finally, it includes the most impactful and simplest things that you can do.
Last winter, my front yard was dry and brown, and my backyard was nothing but bare dirt since it was new construction. This season, the game has absolutely changed, and it was green throughout the winter, and I'm way ahead this spring. I achieved this using my simplified lawn calendar. Now, I just wanted to show you what it looks like if you don't do anything at all. Here in a couple of these spots, you can see grass that's brown and dormant. There are even some bare dirt areas.
All right, let's get into it. Step number one, you're going to need to cut weekly or as often as you can.
Your first cut should be as low as you can go, then cut normal at 2 inches to 3.5 inches and let it grow taller in the hot summer months to minimize stress. Having a sharp blade helps make a clean cut and prevents damaging the grass tips. While you're at it, make sure to use the string trimmer so those edges look crispy and clean.
Step number two, you're going to need a good fertilizer. I recommend Simple Lawn Solutions. They've got everything you need to get started all in one package and a great price. Link in the description below. You do need a sprayer. So in here we've got our balanced fertilizer, 1648. You're going to have your iron, which is going to give you that dark green. You're going to have that humic acid, which is going to help you with your optimum nutrient uptake.
Every week, rotate the application. Week 1, spray balanced fertilizer. Week 2, spray iron booster. Week 3, spray humic acid. Week 4, well, take a break or keep the rotation. You know, real life is important too.
Oh, while we're here, y'all, can even hit the plants with this stuff.
Step 3. If you have any bare spots or known weed areas, throw down some extra grass seed in the spring or the fall. Step number 4. Survive the summer heat. You did a great job giving your grass a super healthy kickstart to thrive. Now make sure you get 1 inch of water down per week during July and August. And then right there at September 1st, let's get out there again and start to fertilize.
All right, and there you have it. That was easy, right? All right, well, these simple steps are going to help y'all achieve that green lawn you're looking for this year. I wish you guys the best of luck. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
And of course, it's super healthy and super thick in just a month time. So very excited about that.